We're going to work on creating the assembly for your Autonoma box. So the first thing I do within my assembly document, I'm going to go ahead and insert a top and a bottom piece, and we'll also insert a left and a right piece. Once I have those inserted, the first thing I'm going to do is line the bottom up with the origin, and so I'm going to use a Fastened mate to do that. So I'll click the Fastened mate, I'm going to select the bottom corner of the bottom and the origin and click the green check mark. Once I have that done, I'm ready to go ahead and constrain the sides to the base. To do that, I'm going to come over here to what will be my end up being my right side, and I'm going to select the center of that right side, and then I'll come over here to my base and select that center of that. You can see that it's coming backwards, so I'll go ahead and flip that. You can also see, if I look at the front of this, that it's not lined up correctly, and so I'll need to offset that in the Y direction. It looks like we need to move it this way, and we're going to need to do that 1/8 of an inch because the overall thickness of the box material is 1/4 of an inch, and it needs to go half that way. Oops, and so it shouldn't be negative. In this case, it's just going to be a positive 1/8 of an inch. All right, and so you'll do that for the remaining parts of your box and get your box assembled. Assembled, you'll want to go ahead and add in the corner clamp parts, and so for our demonstration here, I'm just going to add one of those, and I'll show you how to assemble that. So we're going to go ahead and again get a Fasten mate. I'm going to come to the inside of that corner clamp, and I'm going to select that inside corner. Now that inside corner is going to meet up with this spot on our box, so I'll go ahead and select that. It looks like from the rotation here I'll need to flip that, and then you also might need to rotate the axis around as well. And so once you've done that, you can go ahead and click the green check mark, and you can verify that the clamp has come into the assembly correctly. And so you'll want to do that for all 8 corners of your box, so you'll have 8 of those within the assembly.